Hey everyone, this is another video from the Johal Lab. My name is Laura. I'm a rising junior at Pomona College. I'm a molecular biology major.
And my name is Connor. I'm also a rising junior at Pomona College and I'm a chemistry major. So today it's a Friday afternoon and we're going to have some fun. So we're going to make some liquid nitrogen ice cream with the flavor of
Oreo! Okay, so before I tell you what we're going to need to make liquid nitrogen ice cream, first I'd like to note usually we don't have food or drink in the lab, but we have an area in our lab that we keep free of chemicals for studying and other things such as making ice cream. So if you don't have an area like that in your lab, we suggest you make this in a kitchen. So what you're going to need first is a big bowl, depending on how many people you're going to make it for. Then you're going to need some heavy whipping cream. You're going to need half and half. Also, you're going to need something to measure all those things with. So we have something that measures in cups and something that measures in milliliters. You're going to need something to stir the ice cream with. And finally, you're going to need some sugar, some vanilla extract, and of course, some Oreos.
Of course, the last critical ingredient is liquid nitrogen. You're going to need these gloves because liquid nitrogen has a boiling point of about -200 degrees Celsius. And then have this jug so that you can dispense it safely from the liquid nitrogen container.
So the first thing you're going to add is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, which I've already added. And then afterwards, you're going to add 2 cups of half and half. Then you can add about 6 tablespoons of sugar. And at this point you should probably stir a bit to make sure the sugar is dissolving or mixing with the whipping cream and the half and half. And then you can add some vanilla extract. The Johal Lab recommends you add about 5 to 6 drops, but really this depends on how intense you want your flavor to be.
Alright, now we are crushing 10 Oreos to add to our mixture to make cookies and cream ice cream. You can alternatively use the GRE textbook. Just nice and hard, just like that. Now we mix the cookies and cream ice cream mixture together.
So now for the last step, we're going to add the liquid nitrogen, and while adding it, you have to stir very quickly. So the final step is to serve your liquid nitrogen ice cream. As you can see, the consistency is nice and creamy, and if it gets a little bit runny, you can always add some more liquid nitrogen to make it creamy again.
Don't forget to take off your PPE before eating. It's very important so as not to contaminate your food.
And remember to always enjoy your ice cream outside of the lab.
Delicious.